Hello everyone, I'm Uday from my YouTube channel. Today I'm in Bangladesh with my very good friend Kef. I've been told that he makes an excellent beef curry. Today he's going to teach us or show us how to make his signature beef curry. Meanwhile, stay safe, eat well, and cheers.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. Today I am cooking beef curry, a Bengali authentic dish we call in Gorur Mangsher Buna. Thank you for watching. The ingredients for the beef curry. First I put here 3 pounds of beef and 2 cups of onion and 1 teaspoon is turmeric, this is called haldi, and 2 spoons is red chili, and 1 spoon is coriander powder, and 1 spoon is this is called garam masala, that means hot spicy. Here is some cinnamon and green cardamom, bay leaves and clove, and 2 spoons is ginger paste, 2 spoons is garlic paste, and 2 spoons is fresh garlic and ginger. And now and here is a 1 cup of cooking oil. Then we start mixing, marinate it for 10 minutes. And we need extra 1/2 cup of cooking oil and 1/4 cup of onion. This is take 4 to 5 minutes, marinated meat. And 2 spoons salt. Now let's cover it for 10 minutes. Now we start again. We need more 10 minutes and cover it. Now we need 1/2 cup of hot water. Here it is water. Now we need more 10 minutes.